Welcome back to Beautyistic. Today we're stepping slightly outside the usual beauty realm to review something many of us use daily, but rarely talk about: a mirror. Specifically, the Gatco 1822 bathroom wall mirror, a sleek, modern piece designed to fit in your bathroom, living room, or vanity space. This is a large rectangular mirror measuring 33 inches high by 25 inches wide, featuring a slim, beveled chrome frame that can hang both horizontally or vertically thanks to its innovative mounting system. This mirror boasts some impressive specs. It's made with thick, 1/4 inch glass, which feels sturdy and substantial, and it comes with a premium silver coating that promises clarity and longevity without tarnishing. What really caught my eye was Gatco's patented mounting system, a pair of interlocking aluminum brackets modeled after the French Cleat design, complete with a built-in bubble level. This promises an easy and precise installation, even if you're doing it solo. I put this mirror through its paces in my bathroom setup. Installation was surprisingly straightforward, definitely less than 10 minutes as advertised. The built-in bubble level was a game changer, making sure the mirror hung perfectly straight on the first try, which is a relief because crooked mirrors drive me nuts. The mount feels very secure, so there's no worry about it shifting or falling, even with the sizable glass weight. In daily use, the mirror delivers a crisp, clear reflection thanks to the quality silver backing. The beveled edges add a touch of sophistication without being overly flashy, perfect if you like modern but understated decor. I also appreciated the flexibility to switch between vertical and horizontal orientation, depending on your space and style preferences. The chrome frame is sleek and easy to clean, which is essential in a bathroom setting where water spots and fingerprints tend to accumulate. Of course, no product is without its downsides. The mirror is on the heavier side, so if you're not comfortable with wall-mounting heavier items, you might want to get a helping hand. Also, while the slim frame looks elegant, it might not suit those who prefer a chunkier or more decorative mirror style. The price point reflects its quality and design, but might feel steep for a simple mirror if you're on a tight budget. Speaking of budget, if you're looking for something similar but less pricey, brands like IKEA offer frameless or thinner framed mirrors with simpler mounting systems. However, they often don't match Gatco's premium glass thickness or the innovative mounting ease, which really stands out here. The build quality is solid all around. The frame is metal, the glass is thick and durable, and the mounting hardware feels robust. I didn't test long-term wear, but Gatco has a solid reputation for quality home fixtures, and the materials suggest this mirror should hold up well over time. Although I didn't interact directly with Gatco's customer service, their brand is known for reliable support and quality products, which adds some peace of mind when investing in home fixtures. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty and home decor lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. To sum up, the Gatco 1822 bathroom wall mirror lives up to its promise as a stylish, high-quality mirror with a smart installation system that anyone can handle. It's best suited for those who want a modern, versatile piece with a premium feel and don't mind investing a bit more upfront for quality and convenience. If you need a mirror that blends beauty with function and easy setup, this one's definitely worth considering. If you've used this mirror or a similar one, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts and how it's worked for you. Thanks for tuning in to Beautyistic, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.